Hello, good evening, everyone. Today we are here for post-market report 25th July. Let's see what exactly happened today. There was a Nifty expiry. It was beautifully swinging between 20,000 and 20,400 and 500 ranges. So India VIX has ended up with 10.24 minus the 132. So it was on the negative, but still volatility was there on the negative side. So Nifty call open interest and put open interest together. Still, Nifty is kind of a Nifty PCR is kind of a bearish, and also sorry, it's a mistaken. It should supposed to be bearish. So Bank Nifty is also bearish view. So looking at still market has not made any positions, but still one good news is that Nifty has kind of made a small portion of hammer it made. Is it really a hammer or not? Let's have a look on the chart. So Nifty 50 has marginally made 8.25 and Bank Nifty continued to make negative. Nifty Fin minus 27.35 and Nifty IT minus 82.3. Nifty Auto is continuing the rally. Nobody is unable to stop. And Nifty FMCG once upon a time, it was every day making 500, 600 points. And now every day is falling. Maybe because of the HUL and as well as ITC effect, demerger effect. So please watch out on the video for demerger effect. So this was the Nifty segments, that is these are all positive, that is green, and rest all are negative, that is red. So Nifty 50 chart, see the thing is we cannot call this as a hammer. Once in the morning almost around the 2:30 it was looking like a hammer, but it is not made completely hammer. But it is one thing is clear that this support has been rejected. So can we consider this as a hammer or not? We'll have to wait for tomorrow. But looking at this, Nifty is holding this support a stronger way. That's one thing what we are looking at it. That's the first point. So, and it might make a double bottom now to bounce back. That's the second point. Or it might, if it tomorrow, if it breaks this support, then it might make a double bottom considering this. So there is one potential price correction will happen if this breaks. Else it will continue the uptrend. Major gainers are Hindalco minus 17.3 plus 17.3, Asian Paints minus 148. You might ask, Asian Paints results was good, still why exactly? So Asian Paints, the results, some segment, some of the consumer segment, all the growth is what they are showing. It is not impressive to the investors. And also, though they have shown some positive, but still next year forecast they are not excited, or investors are not showing excitement. That's why it has fell down. Along with this, one important connectivity is crude oil. Crude oil was up, so crude oil has potentially made or consumed Asian Paints profit. So that's why crude oil is a connectivity also Asian Paints has pulled down. So ITC is still it is getting a correction because of this. ITC hotels is going to get listed. Maybe 14th of August we might get all this information from the company. Let's wait and watch. So HDFC, the Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, it is taking a continuous price action. Now it is still, is the price action over or not? We'll have to wait, but it is not any chart pattern, or to fall also we cannot call it as a double top, because one candle has already, green candle has broken this previous high. So at this moment we are unable to call this as a double top, and it is not in the see, even we cannot consider this as a double top, and even we cannot consider this as a double top. So no double top seen so far. So if it is really wants to fall, then it might make like this, or double bottom it will make and then go up. This is what we are looking at it. Otherwise, it might take a upward direction here itself. Major gainers are HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank initially it made up positive, and as well as PNB, that is 31.3. 1.4 is the major loser. So Nifty, look at this. It has made the clear hammer. Nifty was showing partial hammer, but Nifty has made the clear hammer. Is it a scenario that price action is over now? It is going to uptrend. Let's wait and watch. SBI card is the major gainer, that is 15.2, and Chola Finance minus 15.7. And this is very promising that Nifty is made this chart pattern of hammer. Let's see how this hammer will influence market to go up. Previously, this hammer has pushed up this market, the same support level, and the same support is holding and then creating a hammer. Will it withstand here? Let's wait and watch. So Nifty IT, like, people have lost interest in IT because IT is every day bleeding, and people, there is no something new. It is like it's more or less, it became a stagnant. No new thoughts, nothing. And business is also like marginal improvement, some 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore, or even 1%, 2%. It is industry standard. People are expecting at least 12 to 13% returns in a year. Whereas the companies like ITs are not promising in terms of that kind of a delivery in terms of ROEs. That's why ITs are not so promising these days. So that's why it is continuously falling. And even undoubtedly we can see like this also. See, inverted head and shoulder also might happen, and then it might even more bloodbath. So situation is not so promising for IT, at least at this moment. Looking at this chart, if this takes support also, it might go short term up and then might bounce back. That's the long term. Maybe in November December time frame it might happen, because this is the chart we have taken daily. So by next 3-4 months it might be the situation. Let's be prepared for it. So TCS major gainers 5.25, major losers are Persistent and Coforge, Wipro and LTATS. Auto segment, it is marginally at the double bottom. It is trying to break this double bottom. If this breaks double bottom, then it's going to be uptrend. Otherwise, if it gets a rejection, then stock might fall. So, but so far the market is very much promising. See, auto segment is promising at this moment. See, TVS Motors is the result was there, so that's why it gained 76.6 at in India. The major losers minus 45.25, and Bajaj Auto also was like, they have shown the growth, but the growth for next year is not so promising. That's why even it has also fell down by minus 32 points. So Nifty FMCG, it has broken now. Real bloodbath what we are seeing. So will it hold this support now? It's like a kind of a double top also scenario, and then it is falling like this. Will it hold this support now? Let's wait and watch. But currently no promising results or promising things are happening so far at the FMCG. We don't know who is going to pick it up back. Maybe during that time Britannia was picking up, ITC was picking up, HUL was picking up. Now no such promising results are there for FMCG. Let's wait who is going to promise on this. So currently it is at the downtrend scenario. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.